If you're in your 20s, you would definitely have a lot to focus upon. That might be your relationship, your career, or your life goals. Realistically speaking, you should make money one of your concerns as well, since money is what decides many of your life decisions. Establishing yourself in business or any other career requires money, and if you follow some of the advices that we're about to give you, you can start making a good sum of money in your 20s. All you have to do is get the right mindset and correct strategies that can also save you from losing money unnecessarily. Sounds pretty interesting, right? Well, we have a lot to tell you. Meanwhile, don't forget to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any of these amazing tips that we'll share with you. Also, do be sure to hit that subscribe button if you wish to become wealthy and successful with our daily life-changing videos. So let's get started without wasting any more time. Number 1. Don't get credit card debt. We know you've heard that a million times, but we can't emphasize this enough. Do not get credit card debt. Doing so can be lethal for your finances in the long run. The number one thing that can be a hurdle between you and your goals to make the desired amount of money is credit card debt. You can use credit cards if you don't get stuck in its debts. By using your credit card wisely, you can draw multiple benefits. For instance, going on vacations or buying something on Amazon and much more. These things can be of great use for you at the time of need only if you use your credit card in a way that you don't get yourself in debt. The temptation to overspend comes from seemingly free money that doesn't make you feel the pain of cash leaving your wallet. These temptations can make you indebted, which will have ill impacts on your financial status. Instead, try to limit your spending on credit cards by setting a limit on your credit expenditure. This way, you won't cave into overspending temptations and will be able to help yourself stay away from credit card debts. Number 2, don't buy a new car unless you have at least 3 months of expenditure saved. Buying a new car might seem like a cool idea, but if you're in debt or don't already have savings in your account, avoid taking this adventure. If you want to buy a car, make sure that you have at least $1,000 emergency fund in your account other than 3 to 6 months' expenses saved as well, so that you don't get yourself in any kind of debt. It's because if you buy a car when you can't afford one, you won't be able to manage your finances for a long period of time. Resultantly, you'll get yourself in an unending cycle of debt. Rather than buying a new car, we'd suggest you buy a used one that you can afford. Make good calculations of your savings and expenses and get a good deal according to your pocket. No matter what, don't get into debt to buy a high-end car. Believe me, that wouldn't be worth it. Instead, buy a used car that can fulfill your need but doesn't add a burden on your finances. Calculating your budget before any expenditure can help you save a lot of money in the long term. Number 3, refinance your student loans. Every student has student loans since it costs lump sum of money to go to college. So you're not alone if you too are tackling with some student loans. The best strategy to deal with these loans is to get them refinanced by renegotiating the terms. For instance, you can go to the finance company SoFi that offers multiple refinancing offers to student loans. You can also go to the bank that you have taken student loans from in order to refinance it. You can stretch out the time for loan to 10 years or maybe up to 30 years. But you have to focus on your long-term gains as well. You might want to stretch out your loan as far as you can to ease your monthly payment, but that would be hazardous in terms of the huge amount you'll owe in these loans. You also need to keep in view your job status because private lenders are not much of a support if you have problems in your job. Therefore, try to refinance your student loans in a way that suits you best by making smart choices. Refinancing may be the best option for you in this regard. Number 4, give something in charity. This tip might seem out of context to you, but it's a healthy way of making money and contributing to your society and contributing towards your community at the same time. The philosophy of faith tells us that by giving charity, wealth increases with the passage of time. Many millionaires in the world are well known for their generous charity donations everywhere. As an individual of faith, I believe it can naturally work wonders for you. For instance, if you earn $100 a week, just give $10 to charity. This way, you'll help your community as well as help yourself and also learn the importance of kindness and generosity. And who knows, like many rich people claim, you might be another wealthy person in the future for whom charity has worked magically for, since we all know that the universe pays its debts no matter what. Therefore, my advice to you is give some money back to God as an investment and wait for it to be multiplied. Believe me or not, this is how things work nowadays. Many people have worked on this method and gained their fair share from the universe. We know it might seem difficult to give charity, especially when you're short on money yourself, but you don't really need to go an extra mile for that. Just donate what you can afford and see how it works. Number 5, go for student discounts. Yes guys, you heard that right. Student discounts can be an efficient way for you to save some money. Getting student discounts can help you save some money and buy stuff that would otherwise cost you a significant sum. For that, you also don't need to be a full-time student. Even if you're taking one class for a semester, you're at equal footing as a full-time student. It's alright if you aren't a student anymore, you can still get some benefits out of the discounts. All you need to do is go to your school credit unions, alumni associations, or visit websites like AAA where they can help you get student discounts just for being a student of a university. It's only fair since you've paid them so much and you deserve a little discount in return. Most of the time, all you need to get a student discount is to show a student card or an alumni association proof if you're getting benefits after student life. And there you go, saving yourself some extra credit for other expenses just by being a student and nothing much. Isn't it so simple? Give it a try yourself. Number 6, set an emergency fund aside. Nobody knows what the future might bring for us, and that's why you should always be ready for an emergency by saving some funds in your account. To manage your expenses at the time of emergency, you need to have some savings. From getting your hair done to paying your phone bills, everything counts as an expense. Ask yourself, if you lose your job today, would you be able to manage your expenses for the next few months? If not, start putting out some money in savings to use it on a rainy day. If you lose your job, get into a financial crisis, or might need to make an urgent payment for healthcare or some other necessity, you can use that money without having to drastically change your lifestyle. And we know that the wise is who saves resources for difficult days instead of the one who doesn't care much about the future. This fund that you save should be at least for 6 months or more. This way, you won't only be able to manage days of financial crisis, but also save yourself from taking debts. In other words, setting an emergency fund might be the savior of the day in difficult times. Thank you all for watching, and do let us know which one of these amazing tips you like the most in the comments section below. With that being said, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also remember to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. See you in the next video.